Hello there, my friends. So I'm going to show you how to create a new playlist on YouTube Studio, in YouTube Studio, because it's not as intuitive as you would think. So this is your dashboard. You can see I just created a new channel, Pittsburgh Restaurant Reviews. So come and watch that channel. If you're on Pittsburgh Pat right now, which you probably are. Thank you all, the subscribers. Go down the side here to Content. Click on Content, and then you'll have these tabs up here: videos, shorts, live, etc. Go here to Playlists, and then go up here to we turned on podcast features on some of your playlists. Nice. And then go up here to Create, and then hit New Playlist. Create New Playlist. Okay. And then you can make the title of your playlist, and that would be, for me, Pittsburgh Restaurant Reviews. And I didn't spell restaurant right, but you get the point. And then I could make another playlist that's, like the north side of the city, the south side of the city, the east side. I could make as many as I want. You can put a description in here. You can make it public or private, and you can like change the order of the videos. So the videos go in like in the date they were added, or they could be like the newest one that was published, or the oldest. So they see them like in order. So like, say you're doing like a series of like a long game, and it's like 15 parts. So you could make it, publish one. The oldest one you would publish be the first one, right? So 1, and then you publish one next week. That's 2, and then 3. Be in order, or you can manually put them in order as well. So that's pretty cool. And then you just hit create, and then you've got a playlist. So let's go restaurant reviews. And the reason you want to do this is because, according to the gurus out there, the algorithm likes videos that are in a playlist. And it kind of makes sense. You want to point to a playlist at the end of your video so people will watch those playlists. So if you're on Pittsburgh Pat, go to my playlist on how to do YouTube tips. And if you want anything else, let me know. Tell me what the next video you want to see is. And say hello, and make sure that I know you're out there, and because it's lonely out here in YouTube land unless people, contact you. You have no idea if you're helping people or not. So it's great to hear from you. Thank you all, 15,000 subscribers out there. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, take care.